Hello everyone, I just wanted to take a second to show you an example of what we've been working on in math and starting a long division. A lot of these students understand the process but are having a difficult time following the steps in order. So this is a mnemonic device that we came up with. Does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? Which is divide, multiply, subtract, check, bring down or bring over depending on the method that we're going to use. The method that we're going to use today is it's called the place value method or expanded notation method. I just wanted to show you an example for homework or questions. So by doing this question, 944 divided by 4, our dividend is 944 with our divisor of 4. Students, I apologize for the video, I'm doing it on my phone, will make a rectangle, and they'll know since the dividend is 3 digits, they'll have to break this rectangle into 3 boxes, with the divisor being on the outside. This box to the left represents a hundreds place, so they know it's going to end with 2 zeros. This middle box represents the tens, it's going to end with 1 0. And this is going to be the ones place. Our dividend goes inside our box, just like that. So in the first step is divide. They are going to ask themselves, they are looking at only the hundreds place, since this is the hundreds box. They're going to ask themselves, 4 times blank gets as close to or equal to 9. So they know 4 times 2 is 8. So we're going to put 2 up here. Then I like to put a little multiplication symbol there. For step 2, which is multiply, 4 times 200, which is 800. They're going to subtract 800, giving you 144. So that's step 3, subtract. 4 is check. With the check, they are checking to see if what's left over, which is 144, is less than our divisor, because they know that a remainder cannot be more than the divisor. So they know, so they checked it, and now next is, in this case, it's bring over. We're going to bring 144 over. Because this is the tens spot, we are now looking at the tens place, and anything bigger than the tens place would be the hundreds place, so we're looking at 14. We're now going to ask ourselves, 4 times blank gets us closest to or equal to 14. So with that, 4 times 3, bring the 3 up. So that's our multiply, and we're going to multiply. 4 times 3 is 12. Being the tens place, we're going to add the 0 and subtract for step 3. 4, 2. We're now going to check again. Is 24 less than our divisor? It is not, so we're going to have to bring over. Do it all again. For dividing, we are going to 4 times blank is close to or equal to 24. They know, 4 times 6. So we're going to bring the 6 up. Multiply, 4 times 6 is 24. We're going to subtract. Gives us whatever. Here we have a remainder of 0. And our quotient is 236. Remainder 0. If there was a remainder, it would be, this was where your remainder would be. Hope this helps as they work through the steps of their division homework tonight.